Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing and this is from Victorian Varnish. We're going to have a little box of horrors for November. Also for December, you're going to have HHC for December as well as HAC for January. So I'm about to open up this package. I can't wait to show the goodies. I have not shown these goodies. I have not peeked. So you can see here I'm struggling to get the package open so I can show you all of these gorgeous polishes that Victorian Varnish has given us for the following months to come. I also want to state that once I opened my package, I did not get any stickers this time. So apparently there won't be any stickers this go around. But as I can see so far, even with this, just looking at this one, this is gorgeous, y'all. This is pretty. I can't wait to see what else is in this package. And I got notification in my previous unboxing for Linby Design that you guys like this type of content. So I will continue to do so. I am thrilled that y'all like this content. I kind of like it too. It's like having Christmas early. So, so that's what we're doing today. Already some pretty polishes here. I won't be swatching them in this video. I would like for you all to see them as they come apart, closer to the time that they're going to release. So we're going to start off. Look at these gorgeous beauties. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see it close up and personal. Oh, I can't wait. Can y'all? Okay, so let's go. All right, the first one we're going to do, this is for a little box of horrors for November. The theme will be Director Spotlight Jordan Peele. This is Freaky Deaky, and this is inspired by Wendell and Wild Demon saying. This is going to be described as a teal jelly base, blue aurora shimmer, ghost flakies ranging in purples, pinks, blues with chunky purple hollow shred flakies and a touch of silver reflective glitter. They will be 13 and the cap is 120. And like I said, I will do a live swatch in the next video coming up. So the next second polish, also for Jordan Peele, this is winning an Emmy and Champagne popping. This is Fizzical A-Peele. This is a warm mauve leaning, almost coppery base, prugly if you even, and it's with green, gold, purple shimmer, gold reflective glitters. The price is 13 and there will be a cap also of 120. Very different. All right, next for HAC for December, the theme is Gothic Windows. And this one is called Hibernal, and this is a magnetic polish, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, it's so pretty. This inspiration means of or relating to winter or wintry. Hibernal comes from the Latin hibernus, meaning wintry. The description is a sparkly silver magnetic line when magnetized with an intense blue glowy shimmer, which I just displayed here. And I'm going to display it again so you can really see it transform. So pretty. They will be $14 each with a cap of $300. Y'all know I love Victorian Varnishes magnetic polishes because they are so super reactive. So super reactive. Next, we're going to also have for HHC December, and this is going to be the Valentine's special inspired by Steampunk Valentine's Day Kitten. This is Honka Honka. This is a clear base with red to orange gold. No, I'm sorry. This is Burning Love. This is a clear base with red to orange to gold bronze aurora shimmers with red to orange gold bronze UCC flakies and scattered hollow. This can be built up as easily or used as toppers. The set will be $27 and the cap of 120. This one is so freaking stunning. Whew. Okay. So coming up next is Honka Honka. This is a clear base with pink to blue to purple aurora shimmers, pink to purple blue UCC flakies, and scattered hollow. This is also a stunner as well. Oh, these are so pretty. Like I said, this can also be built up and also as a topper. So pretty. Coming up next will be for Linby Design. Sorry, Little Box of Horrors for December. And this, the theme will be folklore, urban legends. This is spores, sprockets, and fungi. And this is a thermal inspired by mushroom welding winter garden steampunk gnome. And this is a teal thermal, teal when warm state and clear when the cold state, with two iridescent shimmers ranging from violet, blue, green, pink, purple, peach. And this one is very shifty. They're $13.50 each with a cap of 200. And last but not least, we have HHC for January. Theme is Gothic Windows. This is enigmatic. And this is inspired by wintry nights as relating to resembling an enigma, mysterious. This is described as a purple toned base with iridescent chameleon shimmer in pinks, purples, and blues with intense bright blue silver reflective. They will be $13.50 each with a cap of 200. So pretty, you guys. So these are these gorgeous beauties. So stunning. These awesome polishes for Victorian Varnish. Again, I can't say it enough. She has a great formula. You're going to want to at least get something from either one of these collaborative boxes because they are so pretty, y'all. Can't wait to show you the swatches. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps with the channel. And also make a comment below which one you like personally if you'd like for me to continue this content. And don't forget to share it with your polish family and friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to stay tuned for the live swatches.